Hello, everyone. Welcome joining us from all around the world on the ninth UCARE for You patient webinar, where we'll explore tools, resources, and strategies for managing chronic urticaria. My name is Aisha Romanowskaite, and I will be your guide today as we navigate practical measures that can empower you to take control of your urticaria and enhance your quality of life. I'm privileged to have four incredible panelists with me today, each bringing to the table the latest and most effective tools for optimal disease control, all available globally. I'm pleased to introduce you my colleague Sophia Neisinger from Berlin, Germany, a physician and researcher, digital health enthusiast working in the field of urticaria. Then, running up next, Kristen Willert, a voice of patients and Vice President of Education at GAAPP, a global allergy and airway patient platform, joining us today directly from Washington, District of Columbia, USA. Circling back to Europe, it's my honor to introduce you a dear assistant professor, lecturer, physician, and scientist from Charité Berlin, here in Germany, Dr. Frank Siebenhaar. And concluding the list of our panelists, Victor Gasson Moreno, a Vice President for Awareness and Operations on GAAPP, today bringing us the newest insights from Vienna, Austria. And it's absolutely amazing to see you here gathered from more than 49 countries around the globe. No matter where you're from, each of our speakers has to offer for each and every one of you today. Together with our brilliant experts, we'll delve into the CSU Patient Charter, exploring what it is and how can it be applied on everyday life. We'll also learn about a tool designed to bridge a gap between patients and doctors in chronic urticaria, while facilitating a shared decision-making. Later, we'll address the crucial topic of proactive patient involvement in disease management and conclude with insights into the world-renowned CRUSE App. However, the most important part of this webinar is, as always, you, our participants. The global leaders in the field of urticaria are here today to connect with you. And even though we come today with the goal of presenting you various options that you can use on your daily life to enhance your quality of life, but more importantly, we are aiming to help and clarify what you truly need. How can we improve, upgrade, or even develop new tools to help you have a fulfilling life with urticaria? That's why we encourage you to share your thoughts, comments, questions, and requests in the Q&A box throughout the session. I will be here to ensure that all the questions are addressed and heard by our experts. However, there's another thing we have to address today. We have lost a remarkable person, leader, scientist, a friend, and physician, our dear Professor Markus Maurer. He was the voice of urticaria and a driving force in the field of research, the heart of the global urticaria community. Professor Maurer understood the importance of involving patients in managing their disease and always prioritized finding common ground between patients and physicians throughout a patient-centered approach. This is why he founded the UCARE for You. Thanks to him, we can be here today. His goal was to ensure that no patient feels left out or uninformed. Our panelists today, along with the entire UCARE for You team, are grateful to have known him and to have been a part of his journey. He will forever be missed and his knowledge will be forever cherished. One of the greatest lessons, although he taught us, was to always strive for better and to do so with passion and joy. His work, teachings, and spirit will live through all of us, and now it's time to put his lesson into practice, to strive for better and never give up. This is what we invite you to do and join us on this mission. Markus also founded a World Urticaria Day on October 1st. This year, as always, all around the globe, we'll be raising the awareness of urticaria, amplifying the voices of patients, physicians, and researchers in this field. We invite you to take a part in it, locally or globally, and to continue this important work in the spirit of Markus. As well, enjoy this webinar as I'm sure he would have had to. And if you do miss something today, we want to know more or stay connected with our panelists, get latest updates on upcoming events, live or online, be sure to scan this QR code and connect with us on all the social media platforms. Before we begin, we kindly ask you for our feedback. It is essential for us. At the end of this webinar, you will see this QR code again, and we would greatly appreciate if you could let us know how can we improve our webinars to help you feel more included, more engaged, and to ensure that we are addressing the topics that matter to you the most. And now I'm delighted to hand over to Victor. Victor, welcome. The floor is yours, and we're very excited to hear your insights on the CSU Patient Charter. So please feel free to jump in, and we're excited to hear from you.